All right, party people in the place to be. We got us right here is a quick tutorial on how to hand launch the Mini 5 Pro or pretty much any drone. So the reason why you'll hand launch something is because like in a situation like this, maybe you don't have a pad and you don't want to sit your drone down on these rocks. And so what you would do is, the drone has these sensors, bottom sensors, the Mini 5 Pro does. And when you launch it, it'll go up, and then when it comes down, it's gonna use these sensors to land in your hand. But first, let's get it up. So, we're gonna hit takeoff. We hit C1.
Takeoff.
And the drone is up, as you can see, people.
Point updated.
And so you have that bad boy up in the air, like you just don't care. And of course, I'm not gonna get it up too high because we got too much stuff in the way. And bam, there go your boy. And so now we want to bring it down. And like I said, it has those sensors, and it's gonna pause. And you keep holding the joystick down, and bam, there you go. And that is a quick tutorial on how to hand, launch, and catch your nice high quality drone. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you learned something. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna use this method. Let me know if you've already been using this method. As usual, it's your boy, your Uncle Rico, AKA the Drone Dreamer. Till the next episode, people. Peace.